thank you guys for being here. So you haven't played it before?
Nope, not yet.
All right. One thing about Tobacco Road, it has a lot of dirt and sand, about 12, 13 acres of it. It's all waste. So you can ground your club. You want to take a couple practice swings off that stuff so you know what you're hitting off of. We don't have any wrecks out there, so you can pick up your balls, move your line, drop it back and play no penalty. That's local. That's the local rule.
Nice.
Car path restrictions, we're restricted to the car path today because of the frost. That should be lifted at some point. Hopefully, as soon as it burns off, they'll let you know. You get a message on your GPS. Pin position today is 2. Use the GPS to pick that up because on a couple of these holes, you may not be able to see the flag on the pathway. But it does give you the yardage from the car to the pin. This is for the warning bells out. We have 5 of them. When you leave hole number 1 ringing, so the roof behind you knows you're clear. And when you leave the fairway on number 7. Okay. On the back 9, 13, 15, and 18, you see them spring. No out of bounds on the back of the road, guys. If you play it out there, if you find your ball out there, you play it. If you don't find yours, you find somebody else's. So either way, you should be okay.
In this stuff? Are you going into this stuff and looking for it and trying to find it?
Some people do.
If you get lucky?
Yeah, if you lucky. Other than that, restrooms at 6. Okay, be the disc. The disc plays at 6,300 yards. It's about 210 to get through the gap there. Yeah, it opens up on the right side. The left side of the hill is 10,000.
All right. All right, Curtis, thank you very much,
okay,
man.
Thank you.
Like I said, we'll let you know how we make out.
All right.
If you find a ball with a Just the Tip logo when you're out there hawking, we'll get you the address. Just send it right back. Dude, we made it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Tobacco Road.
Tobacco Road.
That should be awesome, right, Curtis?
Yeah, it should be okay.
All right.
I think.
Gotta go.
Oh, what?
Play too.
That's outstanding, dude. Good swings, great start.
You think so?
Did you hit it right in the bunker?
What yardage did you have?
89 yards.
Yeah, nicely done.